Hello and welcome to Donutian Investment. This analysis is for MercadoLibre on NASDAQ as of 31st of July 2026 with a share price of $1,881. The full report is on donutian.ca, a dominant LatAm e-commerce and fintech compounder, but the stock is richly valued at approximately 47 times clean earnings versus a approximately 31 times warranted into an EM macro headwind. A hold across every horizon, great franchise, priced for it, wait for a better entry. MercadoLibre is Latin America's largest e-commerce and digital payments platform, a marketplace wrapped in owned logistics fused with a fast-growing fintech arm. The economics are elite, trailing revenue of about $31.8 billion, up 49% year-on-year, gross merchandise value compounding in the low 40s%, acquiring payment volume up 39%, and return on equity in the 26 to 31% range. Quality scores 84, with a wide logistics and payments anchored moat of 76. This is not the problem in the case. The business is compounding. Here is why it is a hold. On a disciplined warranted multiple anchor, the stock is expensive. It trades near 47 times clean earnings against a warranted multiple of about 31, a ratio of 1.52, and it clears every relevant sector guardrail floor. Framework fair value is around $1,240, well below both the $1,882 price and the street's $2,150 median. At this price, the market embeds roughly 24 to 26% 5-year earnings growth versus our disciplined 18% haircut. The optionality is real, but it is a tilt inside the expensive band, not a re-rating that clears it. Valuation scores 28. The tape is mixed and capped. Momentum recovered the stock to the underside of its 200-day moving average near 1,894. A resistance test into a still intact weekly downtrend, not a clean breakout, with a binary Q2 earnings print due after the close on 5 August, timing scores 53. Meanwhile, the macro has deteriorated to a headwind. Emerging market equities and consumer discretionary both read underperform near term, with a rearmed energy shock and the 1st of August tariff wall pressuring Latin American currencies. Economic alignment is neutral with a headwind. Conviction 42. Entry conviction is wait, no entry path is open. The risks cut both ways and carry equal weight. On the downside, the rich valuation leaves little margin for error. An emerging market shock through the Argentine peso and Brazilian real could hit the Latin American consumer, and the fintech credit book is scaling fast, up 87% to $14.6 billion, with provisions up 106%, so a credit quality wobble would bite. The bear case is 1,520 and the stop sights at 1,480, about 21% below the price. Against that, this is a genuinely high-quality, wide-moat, founder-led compounder that keeps gaining share, which is exactly why it is a hold and not a sell. Now weigh the risk against the reward. The bull case is roughly 30% above today, the base case the most likely about 4%, and the bear case a fall of about 19%, so you are risking about 19 to make 30. So, our call on MercadoLibre on NASDAQ, hold. Remember, this is for education, not financial advice. Always do your own research. This analysis is by Donutian Investment at donutian.ca. The link to the full report is in the notes below. Have a great day.